Welcome to Pew Kitchen, guys. Today I'll be cooking some shrimp, and then I'll be cooking some string beans. As you see, this is my shrimp here. It's already seasoned. It was soaking. It was actually seasoned this morning and just sitting there. So I'm gonna cook it now. It was sitting for about 6 hours, I guess. And then over here I have my tomato. Some onions, bell pepper, and then we'll be going in my shrimp. And then here I have my green beans, and I have my bell pepper. And we're going in the green beans, so I'll be cooking that also. So you guys hold tight as I prepare. So I'm gonna put my curry in my shrimp now. It's already seasoned, but I'm putting curry. And I'm gonna mix it in, and then I'll put it fry. So I can some people call it shrimp curry, some call it curry shrimp. So I call it both. Curry shrimp and shrimp curry. Okay. I like this here. I'll put my oil and the one here. I'll put in my onions first. Bell pepper. Tomato, put my shrimp inside. These are very big shrimp, as you can see. I'll put a little more oil in here. Put a little more oil in here. Now I'm going to cover this over for a few minutes, and I'll get back to this. Cover it here. I'm going to add some water to this here, some seasoning. put some black pepper. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Paprika. Turn on the stove. You want to make sure curry cooks good. You don't want to eat raw curry, or you're going to send you to the bathroom a lot. Put some chicken flavor seasoning here. And just let it sit for a few minutes. Look at that. Looking good, looking, smelling real good and looking good. Yeah. Over here, come in. And let's get nice, any water, dry out, and you know, I want it nice and thick. I don't want it too watery. And the shrimp getting smaller, as you can see, there was some huge, so anyway, they're getting smaller, but it's still gonna be good. Okay, good. If you look here now, you see how the water, a lot that the liquid dry out and they get nice and thick. This is what I want. So now you can say, oh, I'm ready to take you off. This is how pure the shrimp curry. Just do some parsley. This is a shrimp curry right there. Good guys. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Pure in the Kitchen, cooking shrimp curry. I know it tastes good, and I'll be thinking of you guys as I eat it. Right, so guys, try it out, easy to cook, and you can cook it too. Alright, remember, stay positive, stay excited, guys, and stay well. Thanks. Have a good one.